First question. The function is defined by the given equation. I should write this equation in this form. For this, I write like this: 5, 3, and x. I should calculate this one. It will be 5 multiplied by 7, 7, and 9. Okay. X. And I can write like this term. It means 5, 1 divided by 100. So the answer is C. Next problem. The concentration of a chemical compound is equal to the amount of the substance in the container in moles divided by the volume of the solution in cubic centimeters. It means for finding concentration, we should the amount of substance, for example, M, I should divide to volume. And the edge length of the larger container is 4 times the edge length of the smaller container. It means if it's 4 times, it means the volume will be the cube of this, and it means volume bigger or larger divided by volume smaller will be scale factor cube. It means 64. And I can conclude that if the volume of the smaller is V, the bigger will be 64V. And each cube contains 144 moles of a substance. It means the concentration and the concentration of the compound in larger container. Then the amount of substance divided by larger container, 64V is 3. It's given 3 moles. And from here I can find V. V is equal 144 divided by 64 multiplied 3. And the difference, what is the positive difference between the larger container's volume and smaller? It means 64V minus V. We need this value. For this 63 multiplied by this term, I should multiply. If I do this, I take the value, I took this value. It's answer for this question. Okay, next one. The function f is defined by this, where a, b, and c are constants. The graph of y is parabola when it is like this. If b is an integer less than 3, b integer less than -3. What is the greatest possible value of a plus b? It means if parabola in this form, in any point, it has the same y values. For example, it's point A and it's point B. The vertex, the x coordinate of the vertex will be A. For example, if A and if B, the vertex will be a plus b divided by 2. In our situation also like this, x0 is plus -1 divided by 2. It means -6. I know the vertex we can find from -b divided by 2a is -6. it gives us the connection between A and B. It is A and it's B. Here it is not actually A and B from the standard form of our function. It's like A1 and B1, for example. It's another numbers. From here I find A equal B divided by 12. We are asking the sum A plus B. A plus B is B divided by 12 plus B is 13 by 12B. And for greatest possible value, we know also B is integer. Because of this, I took B negative 4. I put here negative 4 gives us negative 13 divided by 3. The answer is negative 13 divided by 3. Okay, next question. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle. I remove it. It means we have equilateral triangle and this side A, and the radius of the circle is R. Okay, we know the we can prove it. For example, this angle will be 30 and this side will be A divided by 2. I think it's trivial because it's equilateral triangle. The center of the circle lies on this point, on B sector of this angle. Because of this, it's 30 degree. Okay, then cosine 30 degrees is equal A divided by 2R. From here I find the value of A. A divided by 2 multiplied by 8, A divided by 16 is equal square root 3 divided by 2. From here I find A is equal 8 square root 3. Also I know the area of any triangle is half AB and the sine of angle between them. Yes? Okay, in our situation half A and A we have 2 because of this square in this situation. A and A. And sine 60 degrees is square root 3 divided by 2. It gives us okay, it is 64, then 64 3 divided by 4 square root 3. It is this answer will be okay. They are asking from us the region where outside the triangle. Because of this we need this region. The area of the circle subtract the area of the triangle. It will be answer. If you calculate this and you find, it is fourth question, yes, if you round your answer to the nearest tenth, you get this result. It is rounded answer, actually equal to this. You can use decimals here also. And this question, in the given systems of equations A and okay, let's like this we do it. And also Okay. I think it's understandable for you, and I know the if this systems has no solution. Because of this, the ratio of the coefficients should be equal. Negatives I remove. And shouldn't be equal to this one. You can see it is not equal because of this. It's not necessary now because they are not equal, and I can remove them, and this one and this one will be 5. It gives us 18a 20b, 9a 10b. b is equal 0.9a. If b is per percent less than a, it means b is 10% less than a. This expression means like this. Because of this, our p is 10. b is 10% less than a. Okay, we solved it. Answer is p is 10. Question 6. The equation above gives the graph of a line in xy plane. The line is then shifted left 4 units. Like these questions, you can do like this. If left, you should change x, replace x with x plus 4 divided by 9. Negative. If up, you should multiply, you should subtract. If down, you should plus, you should add 5. And they are asking from us x-intercept. X-intercept means when y is 0. I put here 0. It means 5 x plus 4 divided by 8 gives us this negative, and this negative gives positive. 15 divided by 2 negative. 11 divided by 6. Okay, then here 12, here 6. Sorry, we can 6 common denominator will be 6. Here 3 and 1. It's 45 negative 11. It's equal to this one from here, and 15x plus 4 is equal 8. This one too. X plus 4 is divided by 15. X is equal to this 76 divided by 15. Answer is this. Okay, next question. The frequency table above gives the distribution of heights in inches for a random sample of 56 male basketball players and 56 female basketball players. What is the positive difference between the median height for male players and the median height for female players? Okay, if we have this number, the order of the median is, we can find like this. Look, it gives us 20, 28 and 5. It means the median situated here, A28, A29. The median will be actually A28 plus A29 divided by 2. This formula works for every situation for finding median. Then I need the height of the player with the order 28 in ordered, if we put our data in ordered series, okay, in ordered list. Okay, A28, let's calculate. Until second here, until 7, until it means here A1 and A2. It means A2, A4, A5. Here until here 5, because of this A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7, etc. like this. It means 7 here until there 17, until there 27. Okay, if until there 27, the our A28 and A29 situated here. Because of this, median also will be this number, 76, for male players. About females then, 7 until here 16, until here 28. Then A28 is equal to 70, and A29 will be equal to this number, 73. The median will be this number. They are asking from us the positive difference. Because of this, I subtract from this number. It will be 4.5. Answer is 4.5. And a table of popular movie theater chains is shown above. A movie theater chain is considered a big chain if it has more than 6,000 screens. It means here the number of in thousands. Then I can call bigs if it is more than 6,000. It means I need this, and this. The all number of big chain will be it is 16 plus 11. It is 27. It's big. X is considered like smaller. One that it is X and it is smaller, and it should be less than 6. It means 6,000. The ratio of big chain, it means big chain to all is, and then 28 plus 5, 27 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. It's equal to 16. $43 it gives. And we have also X, this also it means the ratio big to all is K to 5. From here they are asking K will be this number divided by this. Answer is A. What is the value A plus B plus C? For finding the A plus B plus C, I should here put X. is 0. It's very popular method. A plus B plus C divided by 45, and it's equivalent to this one. Because of this I put here also x is 1, x1. 3 divided by 9 negative 7 4 subtract 6 divided by 5. It means 1/3 plus 2 and 5. Okay, it's equal from here, and it gives 3. A plus B plus C will be 33. Okay, this question: the effectiveness of the tutor linear test its channel, yes, and if you read it, you can catch the meaning of this question. They are saying the students from one school, first group, have received access to this one. Okay, first group has this one. Second group did not use Kylie's videos. They were encouraged to seek the other source. It means the second group did not use Kylie's video. It means Kylie like this. Okay, how should the experiment be changed to allow research to conclude with the tutorial? We should change for concluding the tutorial videos have an effect on improvement. Yes. First answer: all students should receive access to Kylie's video. Why? Because here if we have, and okay, now we can conclude from the experiment tutorial linear videos only have in first one. We are checking it. Because of this it should be like this. And what about Kylie's videos? We don't know about this. If we restricted from here Kylie, it means they can use the Kylie's videos. Because of this, for equality, for removing the effects of Kylie's videos, we should remove the for example, we have two ways. We should restrict for all of them, or we should allow for two of them. Okay, and to first one and to second one we should give access. Because of this, another way is we should restrict it from two of them. It means the answer A gives this effect. We should by this way we can remove the effect of Kylie's videos. And if you read another options, you can easily say they are not so true. It was easy, I think, because other variants you can conclude from by reading it. Okay, what about this? We should check if x is very great number like this here, and it should be negative number. It means, and if x very small number like this, negative infinity, it means it should be positive. Let's check. Firstly, x very big number, very big number, it will be, yes, it's negative. You can check it. If x is negative number, it means it's negative, overall will be positive. Because of this variant we can exclude, eliminate. About this, if x is very big number, it will be negative, yes, it's okay. If x is very small, it's negative infinity, it will be infinite, negative, and negative positive. Okay, negative and negative will be positive. Okay, maybe it's true. What about this? It's easy. It will not be 0 when x is 6. Because of this we can exclude this one and this one also. The only answer is B. By the way, if there is quadrat, it will be like parabola here. It's very interesting fact. And this question is easy. Here z and yz, and it is 56 and it's 8. We should find this one. It's easy. We can see the tangent of this angle will be opposite divided by adjacent. From here I can find this equation. Answer is D. And this next question, each of the box plots shown summarized data set. Okay, they are asking what is the range of combined. If we combine, the max will be this and mean will be this value, because it's combined. It means 29 negative 3 is 26. Answer is 26. One solution to the given equation can be written like this. Okay, we find it by quadratic formula. We have x1. I think the minus version we should use negative divided by 2. It's equal to answer is 174. The function f is defined by the given equation for what value of k does equation. Okay, fk 8 negative 5k is equal to this one. Okay, if firstly we have, it should be greater than 0, yes, or equal. From here k should be greater than this number, and 8 negative 5k, if it's greater than 0, we open the absolute value with positive. This equality gives us k should be less than 8 divided by 5. It means 5 11k. K is equal 5 divided by 11. It is satisfied all these inequalities, and because of this k is equal to this one. Okay, and another solution, we should check it. If 8 negative 5k less than 0, it means k should be greater than 5 divided by 8. The absolute value opens with negative sign. Okay, negative 8 plus 5k is 6k plus 3. K is negative 11. Negative 11 does not satisfy this equation. Because of this, I should exclude it. The only answer is k is 5 divided by 11. Also, you can use decimals for solving this. It's easy, much more. And here the line of best fit underestimates one sentence by more than 3 points. From by looking it, you can more than 3 points. It's here more than 3 points. Because of this point energy level is 9. Answer is 9. From here you can easily find equation for solvent boiling point. It means T we should find. It means RT square M is equal this number HK. From here T is equal square root 1000 HK divided by RM. It means 10 HK RM. Answer is B. Sine A and cosine B. Okay, we can write like this. Sine A is sine 90 divided by minus B. It means A is equal from here A plus B is equal 90. Okay, A is greater to this one. Because of this, I can write like this this sentence. I put here B will be equal 10 divided by 17A. It means A plus this equal to this 27 8 divided by 17 is this one equal. From here A will be and at 10 and 3, yes, divided by 3. A will be this value. Okay, for groups of 28 or more people, Arcade charges $9 per person for the first 28 people and $15 for each additional person. Okay, it means the total 28 multiplied by 9 plus x people with additional 15 is equal to this number. By solving this, we took x is 13. The whole number is 13 plus 28. It's equal 41. Answer is 41. Okay. They asking to this one, it is equal, we can find like this, we can put it here, and it will be the, by dividing them we took this value from here. It means 6/5 t is equal 1, t is equal 5 divided by 6 years. They're asking from us in months. Because of this I multiply this to 12. It gives us 10 months. After 10 months the money will be 4,000 and 4,200. Okay. Like these questions, the first question and second question are equivalent because you can check it. And by dividing -8 you can took this equation. I look here and I found the denominators only 5s. Because of this I should isolate x. X is 8 plus 3y divided by 5. X is 3y divided by 5 plus 8 divided by 5. If I put y is r, I took this value. Answer is C. Okay, in triangles PQR, XYZ angles R and Z each have measure. Okay, PQR and XYZ. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to prove that triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ? We know the for similarity of two triangles should be we have this property, it gives side, angle, side. This angle should be between them, and if we are given this angle between them and should be these sides, the ratio of these sides should be proportional. What does it mean? 28 divided by to this number should be, in if you check B, 35 divided by 14. You can check it, it's true. Because of this the answer is correct. For similarity of two triangles should be the ratio of two sides should be equal and the angle between them should be equal. In our situation 38 because of them, and because of this we can conclude it is sufficient to prove that triangles are similar. Exactly one solution system. Because of this from here I find y is equal 10x divided by a4. I think it's true. Yes, I put here, it means 3x squared negative 15 will be plus this negative 12 should be 0. One distinct solution. Because of this term should be, it's a discriminant, we call it, should be 0. It means this number negative 4, 3 and this should be 0. By solving this linear equation you took is this answer for A. In this question we should compare two data sets. And standard deviation, it is spread. How our data is spread? It's like this. if this value x average minus x every number. And okay, in this problem spread is big, in this it is not spread. Because of this, standard deviation here should be greater than standard deviation on B. The answer is A. This question also we should apply this, and it's equal to negative b divided by 2a. From here we can find a is equal b divided by what? Negative 5. B minus a is b plus b divided by 5. 6b divided by 5. B is integer, because of this I can took b is 3 or b is 4. If 3, I took the value is there is error. The negative 5 is negative b divided by a. A is equal b divided by 5. B negative a is b negative b 5. 4 divided by 5b. It means then we have two possible values. If b is 3, this value. If b is 4, we can take this value. Any of them is correct. Like this problem is increased by, because of this, if firstly was x, then it will be this number, because increased by to this percent. Then this number is decreased by to this number. It gives us 0.79, and this number is increased by to this number. If you calculate it, you can find this value. The percent increase, for finding percent increase, you should subtract from 100. Answer will be this number. We round to the nearest hundreds. Because of this, here 77. What about this? Our main problem in this finding minimum value. For finding minimum value, I know the first function is increasing. Because of this, it's reached its minimum value when x is 2. I put here 2 and I took half. Half is displayed here. Because of this, it's true. And what about this? This function is decreasing function. First one increasing. Second one is decreasing function. It took the minimum value when x is grids. X 8. I put here 8. The number, it is not equal or to this number or to this number. It's not equal. Because of this, it's not displayed. The minimum value is not displayed here. Because of this, the only answer is first one. This question, okay, I can write like this. And next one I can write like this. It gives us 4 multiplied by like this. It gives us 4, 3. The common denominator, it's 5, yes. 10, 5, 2. 13 gives us 3 like this, and 12 it is equal to 27. The answer is 49. Smallest. For example, if we took here 4 multiplied by this number, it will not be smallest. Because of this, I wrote like this in this form. In the equation above, a, b, c are positive constants. The product of the solution to the given equation is by Viet's theorem. I can take x1, x2 is negative b divided by a, negative 2 is b divided by 2a. It's equal to this number. From here, if I find a will be 0.7 b. It means okay, and b is 64% less. It means this, and I put here the value of b. Okay, if I calculate this, I took the number, and I can write the last question, last expression in this form. You can check it. It means the number a is 74.8% less than number c. The value p is this. Okay, in this question, next question, we should, its maximum height in this point, it means we should write our parabola in vertex form. We can, and they are saying the hits the ground in this. It means if x is 16, it hits the ground, it will be 0. If you find from here a multiplied by 9 square is to this number, a is negative 16. Negative 16 x does the object first reach height? It means the height should be to this number. We should solve this equation. If we solve, we find, okay, answer is 2.5. The last question is special triangle, 2x, x, and it will be x square root 3. All of them will be 3x plus x square root 3 is equal to this number. From here I can conclude the x is equal to 6. The area of this triangle is 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. It's to this number equal. If we round the answer to the nearest hundreds, we took this value. So that's all. Thank you for attention. answer. The last answer is this one.